Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create video for Pinterest in Canva. Once you have created your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, you are going to tap on the search bar right here and you are going to type in Pinterest. So you can see different options. You have Pinterest board and Pinterest video pins. That will be the option that we will be selecting. After selecting Pinterest video pins, you'll be redirected to a new page. And you can see different templates that you can choose from right here. Keep in mind that the templates that has a crown that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use those templates. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free, as you can see right here. So once you have found a template that you like, let's say for example, we like this one right here. All you'll need to do is simply select the template. Then you're going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. And by the way, you can see similar templates right here. So if you are creating something for like an ad or a promotion for your products, you could select this particular template. But if you would like to remove the video, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you can select uploads, and you could upload the video that you would like to use, or you can tap on elements and from there you can choose a video, and all of these videos are copyright free. So let's say for example I would like to replace it with a cloudy video. All I would need to do is drag and place it, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can edit the length of the video by going to the top left hand corner right where you see 21 seconds on my screen. You can tap right there, and let's say for example we would like it to be 5 seconds long. You can do that right there, then tap on done. Another thing you can also do, you can tap on playback right here and you can change the video speed, and if you would like it to play on repeat, you can toggle this on, or if you like it to play automatically, you can toggle it on right there. You can also crop and rotate videos if you want. So I could tap right there and I could crop it, or if I would like to rotate it, you can rotate it right there. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on done. You can also change the background if you want. So I could tap on the background and I could tap on the color box right here. After tapping on the color box, I could select a color that I would like the background to be in, or if it is a case that you would like to set an image as the background, you can do that. Again, we could tap on elements, or you could tap on uploads and you could select an image. So let's say for example I want to add a picture of the forest as my background. I could type in forest, then select photos, and from here I'm just going to be using this photo. So I'm going to drag and place it. So let's do that. Then you are going to tap on the three dots and you are going to tap on replace background, and you can see that it has replaced the background right there. Then I could change the text color, so I could tap right here and I could change the text color to, for example, red, and you can see it right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download. Then you'll tap on download once more and you'll be able to upload it to Pinterest. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.